Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people ask me how to connect N8N to WordPress. You can see a lot of tutorials videos, but in this video, I will show you very quick my own way to connect N8N to WordPress. This video will be very quick, don't have too much steps, so hope you watch to the end of the videos. Okay, first of all, you need to add a step. I will add a trigger manually, and then I will search for WordPress right here. We have a lot of action right here, right? Create a post, get a post, or create a user, get a user. But in this tutorial, I will create a post. Okay, now you can see here, this resource is a post. The operation is create. You need to create a new credential. Okay, you can see here, you need to fill in username, password, and your WordPress URL. This one is the username of your WordPress, but this one is not the password of your WordPress account. You can see my WordPress account right here. You need to click the user, and in the user, you see the profile option here. You click the profile. After that, you scroll all the way down, and you will see this option called application password. Then you need to add application password. Okay, you can see your new password here is test. You can copy it and you come back to N8N and you fill in your username, and your password is the one you copied previously. You will paste this one right here, and you need to fill in your WordPress URL. This one you can leave default. Now you can click save. You can see the green tick right here that connection tested successfully. Now you can add a post or a page user, and you can choose operation is create or get or update, and you add your title here. Okay, that's my very quick tutorials how to connect N8N to WordPress. If this video helpful, please give me a like and subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.